Hi guys, welcome back to Genetics Creations, Beyond the Stitches. Just giving you a little insight on what goes on behind the scenes here and everything that I'm doing to really make crochet my business, and also my true passion is just to be able to teach people to crochet and spread the love of something that I always thought was a lost art, but I'm really happy to know that so many people are still interested in learning and giving it a shot and are super impressed with it. So anywho, what's been going on? Other than I feel like I start every video with, it's been crazy. It really has been crazy. So I launched my Etsy store. I'll be sending you guys links in the comments below. You might even see some up around here, but the Etsy store is live. So if you guys haven't checked it out already, check it out. It is live. It's got a few of my favorite items on there already. And yes, I am working on even more to come, but it has not only crocheted finished products, but also some of the patterns that I offer. So you may have seen them in some of my videos, but I have the downloadable PDF as well. So you guys can get some patterns there. That being said, some patterns that I just recently released are the ones for these beanies. Yes, I have some fun colors, but the real reason these came about was when it was Super Bowl season and I was making the Niners inspired stuff. So I was really, my team happens to be San Francisco, so I needed to make sure we had gear, and it was really cold still at the time up in Northern California. That's where I am from. So beanies were super appropriate, and I sold out of a lot of those fast. I finally have them back in stock. So again, the link is in the comments if you're interested in purchasing, but if you're interested in making your own, I have the pattern as well. And it's a fun one. It teaches you a lot of different stitches. It's a variety of stitches if you guys don't already know. It's just got a lot of texture, which is something that I was really passionate about because I feel like sometimes it's hard to find the intricate stuff out there. I find a lot of generic things, but I really want to find more texture, and I'm on the hunt for a lot of really unique texture lately. So you're going to see that coming out in a lot of my items. I also did, here I'm a Sacramento Kings girl, so when it comes to basketball, I also have the nice purple and gray and black as well. Again, all the same patterns. So please, please, please check that out. What is in the making? So you guys have a sneak peek. I have been playing around with the concept of granny squares. So a lot of what I have going on, I'm thinking I like this one. This one tends to be my favorite. It was prototype 2 is what I kind of call it. But it is just, and it's a triangle scarf. You'll see it in my shorts as well. It's another of those shawls, but I'm super in love with it. I'm perfecting that pattern as we speak and just kind of playing around with that concept. I don't know if I'm gonna stick with this granny square or if I'm gonna go with this one, which is prototype 1. So maybe you guys can vote in the comments. Which one do you like better, 1 or 2? This is a little bit more your traditional granny square. And I know it's kind of hard to get the whole thing, but it's another triangle shawl. It's also in some of my other shorts. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please do so now so you can kind of get everything. But it's another great one, a little bit more traditional on the style granny square that I used, or it's a granny circle / square. I kind of was playing around again with different textures. So I think I'm a fan of 2. I kind of want to try a 3, 4, and 5. We'll see if my hands can even keep up with all of my ideas to even get that far. But those are the ones I've tried so far. If you guys haven't tried using granny squares in different ways, do it. It's fun. You can also mix up the colors, which is usually how it's done. I decided to go all one color. I might even play with some ombre effects. I haven't quite decided. So those are some things that are coming, and you will see. I know one of them is listed on Etsy. The other one I'm either gonna be keeping or I might be listing that one as well. It just takes a little time for me to get it up there. The other one that is in the works, so you guys get to be the first to see it, is this one. Not only did I do a yarn review on the loops and threads yarn that's used in this, it's also a pattern that I am about to be releasing for testing. So if you guys are interested in being a pattern tester, it is a triangle shawl. It has a lot of texture, and I am looking for pattern testers. I will have that pattern completed probably within a week. And I'm looking for testers, and all you guys got to do is get me your email address. I can get you on that list. And then I just need photos from you, and it just needs to be completed by a certain amount of time. So there's not a whole lot that's required on you, but I could really use the feedback. I love having my patterns tested before I list them for sale. It just makes me feel more confident about what I produce. So that's just a few things of what is coming. I also have a plant hanger tutorial coming. That one has been long overdue. I've had it recorded for so long, and I'm finally getting around to editing it and getting that posted, so you guys will have that just in time for the gardening season that's ahead of us. If you guys have any insight or anything, please post comments down below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video and keep you in the know. Thanks for joining me beyond the stitches.